Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about our work on measurements and predictions. Um, as I already said, we chosen the network latency as an important KPI for edge applications. So the analysis made was the prediction of latency for a future time. First, we use the Prophet. Prophet is a time series library from Facebook. It's very user-friendly with automated process to simplify the forecasting time series. So we don't need experience in data analysis to use it. With this library, we performed some tests trying to improve the results, like grouping the data with different group times. Uh, we try to filter by different packet size, and we try different group functions by average and by percentile 95. We have there the results of the Prophet. At the end, the best configuration was grouping the data by 15 minutes using the percentile 95 and with all packet sizes. In picture, we can see the forecast results, where is visible a pattern in data, and this pattern can be checked in the Prophet components, where we can see the data trend and a daily pattern, where we see the less delay during the night and more delay during the day. That is an expected pattern for a network. Okay, then we use the recurrent neural networks for forecasting. There are network architectures developed for processing sequential and temporal data using cells with internal memory. What I mean, these cells can select the information is helpful or not to predict the future of the segments. In this work was used the LSTM cells type. So for we have the better result, we can define some parameters that is called hyperparameters. And in this project, we tested different learning rates, optimization algorithms, loss functions, activation functions, and the different number of nodes and layers in network. Now we can see the best result we have. We can see a confidence interval that we made using the average error when we trained the model, adding and subtracting the average error to the forecast value. As a result, we had a very good forecast of the trend. And if we identify the height moments in the maximum forecast, maybe it will be possible to manage the network, preventing the network degradation, for example, for platinum service. At the end, we developed the API to show how these predictions can be used for external applications that can returns the values or the graphic of the predictions based on location and the predictions time range that we need. This kind of API is already being targeted by the GSMA for exposing network data and related function features. The GSMA is a global application unifying the mobile ecosystems to help the business and the society. And I finish here. So thank you.